Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video, I will talk about Shiba Inu price prediction and Shiba Inu news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Shiba Inu in 2022. Let me remind you a little about what Shiba Inu is. The Shiba Inu aspire to become an analog of Ethereum Dogecoin. Dogecoin is based on the SHIB algorithm. Shiba Inu with SHIB token are part of a whole flock of canine cryptocurrencies collected from Baby Dogecoin, Baby Doge, Dogecoin, Doge, Jindo Inu, Giant Alaska Inu, LOS, and the Alaskan Malamute token, LASM. These low-value tokens caught the attention of those who missed Dogecoin's jumps from $0.0002 to almost 75 cents. Once upon a time, there was a very special dog in the world. This dog was a Shiba Inu breed and inspired people all over the world to invest in tokens with an image. According to the Shiba Inu website, SHIB is a Dogecoin killer and will be listed on shibaswap's own decentralized exchange. Shiba Inu paper revealed 3 reasons why he created the SHIB team. We started from scratch. The brilliant minds of Shiba have never collaborated before. We love Shiba Inu dogs. Created the world's first cryptocurrency-enabled payments card in 2015. Earlier this year it expanded to the United States and added numerous other cryptocurrencies including Polygon, Matic, Binance's $BNB, Avalanche, $VAX, and Phantom, $FTM. The second news today is Ethereum's Buterin reiterates support for Ukraine, educates Chinese on patriotism. The Ethereum, co-founder Vitalik Buterin has been hitting out at Russian President Vladimir Putin over the Ukraine war and has even taken the time to respond to his Chinese-speaking critics. Buterin, who was born in Russia but moved to Canada when he was 6 years old, hit out at Putin on the first day of the Russian military operation, claiming that the Russian leader's actions had ditched peace in favor of war and committed a crime against the Ukrainian and Russian people. He has since followed up by sharing tweets criticizing Putin and calling for an end to hostilities. And on March 9th, he replied to a call to allow Russian students kicked out of universities for protesting war to signal that Europe stands with those in Russia that oppose Putin and oppose the war. Buterin wrote that the first priority was supporting Ukrainians. And he added, next, it was also really important and a priority to support those Russians and Belarusians who refuse to let Putin's zombie regime represent them and take action to oppose it. Social media observers on the platform offered their support for Buterin's call, including the founder of the crypto exchange giant Binance, Changpeng Zhao, who said that the world was lucky to have the Ethereum co-founder. $0.002. The traders spent a whole week to sustain below breach support. However, $189.7 million SHIB burned on March 19 triggered an 8% pump. The long bullish candle breached $0.000022, flipped resistance and descending trendline, indicating a support fakeout. This bear trap could escalate the bullish momentum and kickstart a new recovery opportunity for SHIB holders. A retest of the breached resistance shows a long tail rejection candle, suggesting the buyers accept it as valid support. A potential rally could soar by 42%, hitting the $0.000033 mark. Contrary to the bullish assumption, if buyers couldn't sustain above the descending trendline and drop the altcoin below the $0.000022. Technical indicator the flattish 50 DM8 could interrupt the bullish attempt to sustain $0.000022. However, the altcoin trading below crucial DMAs, 50, 100, and 200, suggests the traders could find the path to least resistance downward. The MACD indicator performs a bullish crossover in the bearish territory, providing an additional confirmation to trendline breakout. To $0.000255. A set of Fibonacci retracement levels, gray, were plotted. It showed that the 61.8% retracement level at $0.000022 has acted as a demand region in the past few days. The supertrend indicator has also flipped from sell to buy in the hours before press time, while the RSI was above neutral 50 and showed momentum had shifted in favor of the bulls. The CVD indicator $SHIB and $USDT as alternatives. According to CryptoCompare data, the Turkish lira represents 5.2% of SHIB's global trading volume, behind only leading stablecoins USDT and BUSD, and the US dollar. The meme-inspired cryptocurrency has also recently been added to leading digital payments platform Wirex, which has over 4.5 million. Coinbase Ventures website. The exchange has invested in DeFi money market protocol Compound, crypto lender BlockFi, Ethereum blockchain explorer Etherscan, leading non-fungible token, NFT, marketplace OpenSea, and a number of other leading firms in the space. The analyst has an outperform recommendation for Coin shares, with a $377 price target. He added that in the near term Coinbase's stock price may be influenced by the price of Bitcoin and macroeconomic pressures. At the time of writing, Coin shares are trading at $152. Coinbase is notably one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world and often used to gauge institutional interest in the cryptocurrency space. Earlier this month, over 3 transactions, BTC whales withdrew over $1.1 billion worth of the cryptocurrency from the exchange, suggesting accumulation to hold over the long term. Earlier this month, Coinbase blocked 25,000 wallet addresses related to Russian individuals or entities it believes have engaged in illicit activity. The addresses were blocked over fears they could be used to evade sanctions levied against Russia over its invasion of Ukraine. Percent is $0.000035. The coin is interesting for investment. As a target, I suggest choosing the level of $0.000053. 50% of the fall from $0.000086 to $0.000017. With a favorable outcome, the price will reach the calculated level by the end of March of this year. Power reserve is approximately 70% with the current price model. The price will not return to the historical maximum for a long time. To begin with, buyers should gain a foothold above the $0.000040 level. Then they need to hold this level for 5 to 7 days, so that the price does not fall sharply again. Plus, a positive background is needed for the entire crypto market, and a fall in the dollar. All markets are in a fever because of the expectations of the US Federal Reserve rate hike on March 16th. Shiba Inu is an asset, the value of which depends entirely on the interest of investors. The more the coin is bought and used, the higher the rate. From this point of view, it makes sense to look at how the developers intend to develop the asset, attract new users, and expand the use of Shiba Inu as a means of payment. And in 2021 alone, the number of investors who purchased the coin increased by 30%, which is a lot. Even institutional investors invest in the asset, despite the fact that it is considered a meme token. Firstly, the shibaswap ecosystem, which includes a decentralized exchange and a marketplace, is currently developing quite actively. Secondly, Shiba Inu payments have become available on the largest online platforms, Amazon and eBay. Developers are seriously investing in expanding the ecosystem, which attracts users, while the scalability of using the asset as a means of payment is growing. There is every opportunity for Shiba Inu growth during this year at a minimum of 30 to 50%. We will also analyze with specific examples what to expect in the coming years from this cryptocurrency. We will start with a forecast for this year, and it sounds like this. It looks like by 2022, Shiba Inu, SHIB, prices will reach a level similar to their previous record high. For 2022, we can expect the average rate to be $0.00003148. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Shiba Inu's maximum price could be up to $0.00003536 in 2022. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. The forecast for 2023 for analysts is that they believe that the current Shiba Inu price range may be of interest to many traders, and therefore SHIB could reach $0.00005183 by 2023 with significant cooperation with financial institutions, if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $0.00004401 for 2023, it could beat the last price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to 2023. What will happen in 2 years? Forecast for 2024. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Shiba Inu could cross $0.00007358 if the market sees a nice bull run in 2024. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2024 will be around $0.00006333.